Good afternoon. It's time for some more baking. Let's get straight into it, shall we? Today we are going to be making a ginger and pear upside down pudding. For the ingredients, we have 50 grams of white sugar, 50 grams of soft light brown sugar, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 75 grams of slightly salted softened butter, 2 tablespoons of the pear juice, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, a tin of pear halves, and some ground ginger. The first thing we are going to do is take a 7-inch sandwich tin, which we have generously greased with butter, and we are going to pour our 2 tablespoons of fruit juice into the bottom. Next, we're going to sprinkle on our soft light brown sugar. Give it a bit of a shake to evenly distribute it. Next, we're going to take our tin of pears, which we have drained, and we are going to place the pears on top of the sugar with the cut side facing down. Like this. We are now going to reserve this. That means put it to one side for later. Next, we are going to take a large bowl like this one, and we are going to put all of our remaining ingredients into said bowl. Butter, sugar, flour, egg, milk, golden syrup, and our teaspoon of ground ginger. We are now going to gently cream this until it's nicely creamed. There we go. That's now beautifully creamed. It smells absolutely delightful, I must say. You can really smell that ginger. A lot of people don't like ginger, but some people are really into it. But that's a subject for another day. Next, we are going to reintroduce our pears. And we are going to spoon our ginger mixture all over the top, taking care not to dislodge our pears. Nobody wants to dislodge their pears, do they? Sounds rather uncomfortable. There we go. You want to make sure your pears are fully covered. Now we're going to pop this into a preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's baked. Fresh out of the oven. It smells absolutely delightful. Right, we're going to allow it to cool down for 5 minutes in the tin, and then we're going to invert it onto a serving plate. Invert means turn upside down. There we go. It has been successfully inverted. Now we're going to give it a light dusting of snow. And here it is, my ginger and pear upside down pudding. Not too shabby, huh? Time for the taste test. Oh wow, that is absolutely splendid. Yes, very nice indeed. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, cheerio.